Welcome to Inspire the Vision, where we explore the possibilities of tomorrow, today. In this video, we're taking a journey to Mars, our neighbor in the cosmos. How will humans live on this distant planet? What challenges will we face, and what innovations will allow us to thrive on the red planet? Let's dive in and explore the future of human life on Mars. Living on Mars won't be like living on Earth. The conditions here are far harsher. The atmosphere is only about 1% of Earth's, and it's mostly carbon dioxide, making it impossible for humans to breathe. The surface is cold, averaging about -80 degrees Fahrenheit, and dust storms can last for months. But despite these challenges, scientists have been working tirelessly to make human life on Mars a reality. First, we'll need shelter, something capable of protecting us from the harsh Martian environment. These shelters won't just be a roof over our heads. They'll need to be equipped to keep us safe from radiation, extreme temperatures, and dust storms. One idea being explored is building habitats underground, using the Martian soil to shield us from harmful radiation. Alternatively, we may build structures with materials that are both strong and insulating, capable of keeping us warm and safe. Energy will also be crucial for life on Mars. Solar power might be the most viable option, but with Mars being farther from the Sun, solar panels will need to be much larger and more efficient than those used on Earth. To provide energy during the long, dark Martian nights, nuclear reactors could also be a viable solution. With a reliable power source, we can fuel the life support systems, communication devices, and other essential technologies. Next, let's talk about food. Growing crops on Mars might seem impossible, but it's one of the most important goals for long-term survival. The Martian soil is not suitable for farming, so scientists are exploring hydroponics, growing plants without soil. In controlled environments inside the habitats, crops like tomatoes, lettuce, and even potatoes could be grown. Water will come from extracting it from Martian ice, and every drop will be recycled and reused. For food production, we'll also need a stable water supply. Water ice is abundant on Mars, mostly at the poles, but it could be extracted from the soil as well. Once extracted, it will need to be purified, and much of it will be used not only for drinking but also for agriculture and sustaining life support systems. To survive on Mars, humans will also need to mine the planet's resources. Mars has vast ice deposits beneath its surface that could provide water, oxygen, and even hydrogen, which could be used for fuel. The planet's soil contains minerals that could be used for construction materials, and the atmosphere, while thin, has carbon dioxide that could be turned into oxygen. Mining these resources will be essential for building a self-sustaining colony. As we build our habitats and grow our food, we must also adapt to life in a completely different environment. The Martian day is about 24 hours and 39 minutes, so the day cycle will feel similar to Earth's. But the gravity on Mars is only about 38% of Earth's, meaning that humans will weigh less and may experience long-term health effects. Scientists are studying ways to counteract muscle and bone loss, which could include exercises in low gravity or the creation of artificial gravity environments within the habitats. Over time, these habitats could evolve into bustling cities on Mars. These cities will likely be dome-shaped or built underground, with sealed environments that protect against radiation and the harsh Martian weather. In the future, humans may walk on the surface in specialized spacesuits, and we might even see greenhouses or parks in these domed cities where people can interact with the Martian environment in safe, controlled ways. To ensure the long-term success of a Martian colony, we'll need to develop technologies that allow for recycling everything: air, water, and waste. These closed-loop systems will ensure that resources are used efficiently and that nothing goes to waste. A sustainable ecosystem will be key to supporting human life on Mars for decades, even centuries. The dream of living on Mars may seem distant, but with each step we take in space exploration, the possibility of human life on Mars becomes more achievable. While the journey will be challenging, it's one that holds the promise of expanding humanity's horizons, giving us a backup plan if something were to ever threaten life on Earth. Though we're not yet ready to send humans to Mars, the research, planning, and technology being developed today are laying the groundwork for the Mars missions of tomorrow. One day, we may look back on these early efforts and realize that they were the first steps toward establishing a new chapter of human civilization on another world. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to Mars. If you enjoyed this video and are excited about the future of space exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new discoveries. We've only just begun to explore the universe, and there's so much more to uncover. Until next time, keep dreaming big and looking to the stars.